If you are new to the channel and want to see more videos like this, then please hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you and enjoy the video. This video is proudly sponsored by the Great British Coin Hunt. Hello and welcome back to Coins and More UK. I hope you have all had a great week and that you've been enjoying some of my recent videos, which do include some stunning £2 coins. For example, we've got the Wedgwood £2 coin, we've got the D-Day £2 coin, and also there's been a couple of videos featuring the RAF £2 coins, which were released to commemorate 100 years of the RAF. And they are absolutely beautiful coins. I had such fun filming them, and yeah, I hope you have been enjoying seeing some £2 coins on my channel for once. But please head over and check some of them videos out after you've watched this one. It would be absolutely fantastic. And without further ado, let's crack on with this video. Okay, so in today's video we are going through a couple of recent purchases. Now, I have wanted these coins for quite some time now, but for one reason or another I've just never got around to buying them. But I'm more than happy to say I've got them right here. And the first bits and bobs that I've got to show you today are these. And we've got 5 stunning 50p coins from the Falkland Islands, and if you've not guessed already, this is the 2018 penguin set. So there are 5 different coins in this collection, and each one's got a different breed of penguin. So let's have a little look at the penguins. So this is the first one, which is the rock hopper penguin. And the designs are just simply amazing. I do love this set. And on the back there, 2018 Falkland Islands. So there's your first one. We've got the rock hopper. And the second one is the macaroni penguin. And this one's my favourite. I do love this penguin. Just what intricate designs. And again, Falkland Islands, 2018. What a funky looking penguin. And the third, okay, now let's see if we can say this right, the Gen 2 penguin. And again, another stunning design. These Falkland coins are awesome. In 2018. Really nice. And the fourth one, now let's see if I can say this one right, the Magellanic penguin. Really nice design again, really fine detail. And there we are, 2018 Falkland Islands. Really nice. Now I'm keeping them in these capsules because now they're not absolutely brilliant and circulated, but they are still in good quality, and I'm trying to keep it that way. But really nice coins. And the last one, we have got the king penguin. Look at that. He's a mean old penguin. And on the back again, the Falkland Islands, 2018, 50p piece. They're just such stunning designs, and I wish the Royal Mint did more stuff like this. They're just absolutely fantastic. And I bought my set off the greatbritishcoinhunt.com. Really good price, fantastic service, quick delivery. And of course, if you do want to grab yourself one of these sets, they are limited on the Great British Coin Hunt, but it has got them in stock, so yeah, please head over there if you want to try and buy some. Possibly at the time this video goes out, they might be out of stock, so I do apologise. But as for the time being, if you do want one of these sets, head over to www.thegreatbritishcoinhunt.com. £19.95 for a set of 5. Absolute bargain. And the last little bit that I've got to show you today, now you're going to laugh at me when I show you this, but I've never had this in my collection in the whole 3 years I've been coin collecting. Like I say, I've just never got around to buying it because I've been concentrating so much on getting the 50p's, the £2 coins, and that's even before I've moved on to worldwide coins and such. But yeah, for some reason I've just never got myself this big 50p. So this is the 1973 clasped hands. Yeah, I've just never got around to buying it. I've got a few of the other big 50p pieces, and some of the original dated ones. But yeah, I've just never got around to getting this one. So again, yeah, I grabbed this off the Great British Coin Hunt. Absolute bargain, and it's in really good. It's in really good condition as well. So I'm more than happy with this, and it's really good to be able to add this to my collection at last. But I do like these old big 50p's. They're really cool. And there we have it for another video. If you did enjoy this episode, please leave me a like, and of course subscribe to my channel if you want to see content like this on a weekly basis. Also, if you do press that notification bell, you will also get notified when I upload new content. But all that's left for me to say is thank you so much for watching yet again, and also another big thanks for all the support just recently over on my channel. It's just been so overwhelming, and I'm meeting so many fantastic new people through this platform and through the coins. A big thank you for that. I'm really enjoying myself just lately over on YouTube. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Have a fantastic weekend, and until next time, I shall see you all very soon for more coins. Bye for now.